update to you, man. So, I was over here yesterday, moving some stuff around, and I noticed there was water on the floor in front of this washing machine, and then I saw bubbles. I saw bubbles back in this drain. So I'm thinking, okay, that drain's a little slow, got a little backup. It's probably a bunch of lint. Anyways, I'll show you what I got. We're gonna use the little mini drainer. First time, it comes with, well, you have to buy this separately, but, and then this locks into place like that, and then it has forward and reverse, of course, and it has the feeder on it. So when you flip this down and mash it, it feeds it, or you can let go and you can manually shove it in. So we're gonna use this today. Woohoo, cool tool, man. So I already ran some water down in there, and I could hear it slightly backing up a little bit. So we're gonna get us a glove. I'm gonna get some black rubber on my left hand here, and then put a regular glove on. And get an old beater glove, and this is to protect my hand, and we're gonna run it. You can actually lock it in place if you wanted to. But this is just a little snake, nothing major. Like I said, it's got a self feeder on it. I just hold that button down, little trigger, safety trigger, and mash on it. I knew that light was gonna go off. Hold on a second. Light in here. Anyways, let's give this a shot, bro. There it is. This is really nice. It's real lightweight. Then I can reverse it and mash down on the pipe or on this fitting, and it'll feed itself back in there. Pretty cool, man. I like it. It's real lightweight. What I like about it too is that this doesn't auto stop. Like on a regular drill, it'll want to stop like right now. This kind of like winds down, so that's perfect versus using a drill. So put this water back over here because it's not really wanting to stop all the way. So we'll run some water. Sounds really good. Doesn't sound like it's backing up at all. I'm gonna check this second drain. We'll jam some water down the second drain. And this is hot water too, by the way. Sounds good. It's not backing up at all. Normally you can tell because it'll start to, the pitch will change on it. The water doesn't shut off all the way, so let's hurry up and get that back on. Yeah. There we go. Sorry about the lighting. A bit of an attitude. So, in a nutshell, I really like that, man. It's a pretty cool tool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool tool. I think that's, I can't see it, man. But I'm pretty sure the cord is like 12 foot long or something like that. It might be 16 foot. It's not really super long. I think it might be longer than that. Anyways, I can't see any numbers on it. 500 RPMs max. Anyways, so, and then on top of that, it's got this. So, pull the motor off. If you have to, battery dies or something, you can still manually close it and open. Sorry, you can still manually close it and open it. Cool. So we got that all cleaned out. We're all good to go on that. I'm gonna use my one of my little pack out boxes. Perfect, bro. And I also got the toilet auger. Because I'm lazy, man. I'm lazy, bro. We got a door to fix real quick. The closer's not working properly on it. Here, I'll show you. This door, the door is supposed to shut automatically. And what it is the trash man brings all back there. It's the trash room. So the tenants carry the trash through here, take it back and drop it. But when the trash man backs a big old truck up here, he props this door open all the way so that, you know, he can get the cans out. So what's happening is this bolt, this nut right here, it's getting loose, and then the door's not shutting all the way. So what I'm probably gonna do is just drill a hole all the way through and put a longer bolt on there so that it doesn't back itself back out. So I'm gonna get started on that real quick. Okay, so I adjusted that out a little bit. I just want to make sure it's, well, it just slightly moves. I want that little, I think I can take this cover off. Gotta feel it flathead. Milwaukee screwdriver. Anyway, I think I can adjust this. Look at this. So it shuts a little faster. Oh yeah, that's old school, bro. Faster, slower. It takes a Allen. I get that next, but I just want to make sure that this is shutting. Yeah, that'll work. Now what I'm gonna do on this, I'm just gonna run a self-tapper up through there, and that'll permanently hold in place. This is a self-tapper bit, right? I'm gonna use this to set my hole, and then that's the screw I'm gonna put in there. We just get it, I can feel the track right there. I'll get it back here. And see, that's just a standard, that's that screwdriver drill. It'll still put it in there, you know. I like this, man. I like this because I can go real slow. You know me and my slow things. Anyways, so that right there just tapped it and put threads in it. So now I need to do is put that in there, blam. Make sure it don't catch. Ooh. Boy, that is so close. I think it'd be fun. Cool, cool. So now what I'm gonna do is get some Allens and we'll set the tension on that so it shoots a little faster. This little cobalt, it's a socket set. It's a socket set. It's got this little wrench. Now Klein makes one of these. But I just go with this. It's got the end This little end, your regular bits will go right in there. It's got a little wire in there that holds it in place. Now the first two that I got off the shelf, the little bitty wire in there was, it was gone, or it wouldn't hold the bolts in. So always, if you get one of these, just double check. They were only like, I think, $8. Anyways, so it comes with the Allens and Torx and whatever. Anyways, so it has S and L on the back. Let's see, shut and latch. I think that's what that stands for. So I want to increase it, I think. You don't want to turn a whole bunch, just a couple turns, just to give you an idea. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a little too much. Let's take that back one turn. There we go. That's about a quarter turn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's much nicer. That'll make sure that it shuts real good. I want that to latch. The reason why is because this main drag out here, this main road, it's a little on the sketchy side. We got cameras up all the way around this building. You got a camera up there, 2 out front, 2 at the other end. And then the trash room back there, it has padlocks on both sides because homeless people would get in there and sleep in the trash room. Let's go find something to do. I'm gonna go up and get that paint out of that apartment. I'm still back here on the same building where the sink was bad. I don't have any work orders, so I'm finding stuff to do. That's a good time, bro. Before summer kicks in and I'm up on these stinking hot freaking roofs, I'll take it as I get it. Okay, since the clean lady's not gonna be here for a couple of days, I'm gonna go ahead and do this caulk on this bathtub right here because the material is not correct. That's regular caulk, and the floor's not even all the way across. So I got the flooring didn't go all the way to the tub, about a 1/4 inch. So that's as far out as I'm possibly going to go. I don't want to go real far with it. We just want to lay down a little bead of tape. You got some nice clean tape line, real nice line. So I like to start it because I work right to left, or left to right, whatever. Just get it started. You know, silicone, you gotta be slow with it. New tube. Come on, bud. There you go. You don't want to go real fast with the silicone, man. Get that crap everywhere. That looks pretty. Put that in the tub. I usually spit on my finger, get it wet, because saliva is slicker than water. Spread that out real nice and clean like. Get down at the other end. If you keep your bead small, then you don't get a bunch of wash up on the tub. Paper towel out here. Looks pretty. Take this off my hands. Then we'll pull tape. Like I said, when you pull tape on silicone strip like this, you want to pull towards you. You'll see when I get up here. Oh, I dropped it. You want to kind of keep it close to the floor. That way it pulls it away from the silicone. There you go, bro. Perfection. So I'm done here with this. I'm not going to caulk the tub, like I said. I'm going to wait for the cleaner to come do it. Sorry. I'm going to wait for the cleaner to come clean. because she'll scrub on that tub and it'll mess the caulk up. So maybe go find something else to get into. I'll find something, bro.